All right, good morning, boys. What is up? We're up around $1,200 per account. Let me double check. $1,200 per account across 10 accounts. Pretty simple trading day. So my buys today, let me bring that mic closer, see if you guys can hear me better now. My buys today was very mixed. I didn't have a fixed bias. I wasn't, oh, today I'm bullish, today I'm bearish. Why was that? Well, we're overextended to the downside. Price could easily come up and rebalance this range a little bit more, right? What I do notice is, yes, we tap into this 4-hour gap, and on the hourly time frame, we also end up inversing this bullish gap while respecting bearish order flow. So at this point in time, obviously, I'm low-key leaning for shorts, right? Holy dump. And we have these lows below us right here, right? We have both of these lows right here. You can see my screen. You guys cannot see my screen. Hold up. Alright, that's better. Alright, fuck that. I'm not editing this shit out. I'm too lazy for that. You guys can probably see my screen better now anyways. Alright. We have these lows resting below us right here, right? Draws on liquidity. It's more clear on the 15-minute time frame. These are lows I want to see get taken out. This is a clear sell model. Right? There is a 4-hour gap somewhere within this. What else do we do? OTE of this bearish range. 4-hour gap. 15-minute is bearish. What else do we have here? 15-minute order block that got tapped into. Actually, no, we edged that shit. 15-minute actually flipped, and then from there we immediately just dumped. Right? We actually tapped into OTE of this range right here, right? And I got a fucked up entry. So I was actually trying to enter halfway through the 9:30 candle. I was purely gonna enter off momentum if 9:30, when 9:30 usually dumps like this and keeps pushing below this order block, I figured we're going to dump all the way to hell. So I tried entering several times, like at least 3 different times throughout market open. And fucking Tradeovate, my stop loss and take profit was automatically set, but it was set to ticks. It was set to ticks and not, it was set to a fixed price for some fucking reason and not a dollar amount. I was trying to do $1,000 stop loss and $1,500 take profit, and it kept on using ticks. And by the time I would click confirm trade, the take profit would have already been ran through, and it said negative $500 for take profit, so it wouldn't let me enter a fucking trade. Like, oh my god, I'm so mad. I can't wait for Alpha. When Alpha Futures drops their platform, that's gonna change the fucking game forever, bro. Forever. And I can copy trade off that platform. Oh my god. I'm so fucking hyped, bro. But essentially took this trade halfway through to these lows down here. Except my entry was all the way down here because it took me a minute and a half to realize I was entering trades with a fixed price point, which wasn't letting me enter a trade. So by the time I actually caught on to that and fixed my shit, fucking price was here. I just entered, and then price came here, closed, and once we closed, I moved my stop here. The original stop loss was like up here, and then once I saw price created a gap, I put my stop at the gap. Take profit at these lows right here. I took this trade at 2 minis. So I actually caught like 30 fucking points. Yeah, this was the actual trade. I took actual profit here. I sold off early just to secure a winning day. It's my first day trading on my Tradeify, second day on Lucid. So yeah, I actually did sell a little early now that I'm looking at it. Should have definitely at least held to the first draw liquidity. But I don't know. I wasn't the biggest fan of this position. I don't like entering trades to external draws. So I think I just entered when we reswept this low right here. Pretty simple. In hindsight, I should have gone break even instead of closing. But we're not perfect. We cannot fix that shit. So this is all we made on the day. Oh shit. $12,500. That's not bad though. That's honestly not bad. Hopefully we can build a buffer this week and take a payout next week. That would be the goal. That's the ideal goal, is to take a payout next week. That'd be great. I don't know why price is chopping so much right now. I don't know. It's because of, I heard rumors about a partial government shutdown and potentially Trump just opening his mouth instead of there being an actual FOMC planned out. So, pretty simple day. If you guys have any questions about this, let me know. Feel free to ask. Dump, bro. Just fucking dump. In what world are we fucking bullish, bro? I was bullish. I'd market open. I was neutral. I was open to longing to this unfilled hourly gap up here. And we also had midnight open. Already drew it out. Alright, it's one of these, whatever. We had midnight open and unfilled hourly gap right above us. So, you know, market open could have very well pushed up into those gaps, and I would have tried to find an entry towards those. Bro, if price doesn't push lower from here, this is going to be the craziest rage bait of all fucking time. This is the third CISD we make, rejecting. Well, that's an inverse 15-minute gap, so we're not actually rejecting anything. But yeah, hope you guys have a blessed day. Any questions, feel free to comment them. I will be there to answer. Prop firms I'm currently trading, you see them right here. Right, these are the prop firms I'm currently trading. Lucid and Tradeify. I have Lucid Flex and Tradeify Select. I do believe those are the best accounts. Depends on the way you trade. If you guys trade high risk reward, then go for the Lucid Blacks and select daily payouts on the Tradeify Select accounts. But I'm a low risk reward guy. I like having a big drawdown. I don't mind 5 winning days for a payout. But yeah, hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.